Let's see how to stop your iPad from ringing when your iPhone has an incoming call. When your iPhone rings, if you want to stop it, then what you can do, let's say this is your iPhone and that is your iPad, and every time you get a call on your iPhone, you are getting a call from your iPad also. So to stop this, what you can do, you can just go to settings on your iPhone and scroll down and find phone option. Here it is. Tap on it. And now scroll down and find calls on other devices. Tap on it. And just turn off allow calls on other devices. So this is it. Now you will no longer receive the phone calls from your iPhone onto your iPad. One more thing to disable is, in your iPad, just go to settings, and then what you have to do, you have to go to FaceTime. Go to FaceTime. And now here you can see the calls from iPhone option. Disable it. Okay. And that's it. No longer your iPad will ring when your iPhone rings. Thanks for watching. Please do like.